there's two sides to this that you brought up in this conversation. The consistency of showing up over and over again, and the consistency in what you're saying. Just because you're breaking the baguette up, we still want to understand that those are pieces of bread that came from a larger piece of bread, which is why it is so critical. Even if an advisor comes to me with a clear brand and this is who I serve, this is what I do, it is so very rare that they actually have that ironclad cemented in their messaging to the degree that it is, they're talking about it ad nauseum, like you said. You cannot be afraid to talk about your brand. Every time you were talking about it, you should be asking yourself, did I already tell this person this? And then if you're not asking yourself that, you're not saying it enough. And then point number two is, it doesn't matter, say it anyways, because people have so much going on, like those New York City sidewalks. They have so much going on, they're not even hardly going to remember if you told them the first time. You could probably tell them the same thing 7 times and they're not going to remember until the 8th. It is so important that when you do start with a marketing partner, and they should tell you that you get your brand message crystal clear, whether you're at a party or somebody else is at a party, everybody should be speaking the same language about your business. That's how you get to be brought up at the party, because they know exactly what you do and what you offer, because you tell everybody. Consistency in your message, consistency across your brand aesthetic. You want everything to look the same. I think that's a no-brainer at this point, but sometimes I feel like we just have to say it. Like colors, fonts, mood, keep it the same, keep everything consistent.
Listen to the podcast for more.